Hi friends, myself S. Narayan Rao. I am pursuing MTech from IIT Kanpur in VLSI specialization. GATE is very important for BTech students, those who willing to pursue higher education from premier institutes like IITs, NITs, or IIITs. This video is mainly for BTech EC students who are going to attend GATE this year. Let's see how to crack GATE in 2 weeks. Generally, GATE paper consists of two sections, right? Aptitude and core. Aptitude is of 15 marks, and coming to the core, it is 85 marks. Uh, this section can be cleared by the students who are preparing already for placements. Okay, that means those who are preparing for placement, they can easily clear this section and they can get around 10 marks easily out of 15. Okay, and coming to this core section, it generally includes engineering mathematics and our ECE syllabus. So there is no separate sections for these two. They both will include in same section. And generally, that engineering mathematics is of 10 to 15% of total marks. Okay, that means the weightage of this engineering mathematics is like 10 marks. Minimum you will get a 10 marks if you prepare engineering mathematics. Okay, coming to the ECE, see, it includes more subjects, right? Like signals, networks, controls, EM theory, communication. Like this way we will have more subjects. But in order to crack this GATE exam, no need to focus all subjects. Okay, try to select the subjects which are having more weightage. Okay. Let's see, in this video I will explain which subjects are having more weightage and how much percentage we can get. Okay, that information I will try to give you in this video. Let's see, the most weighted subjects are like network theory and control systems and digital electronics and signals and systems. From these four subjects itself, we can get 30 to 35% of total marks. That means you can easily get 30 marks if you study these subjects completely. Okay, overall, from aptitude you are getting 10 marks easily. Okay, and it doesn't require any separate preparation. And coming to the engineering mathematics, you are getting 10 marks easily, and from these four subjects you are getting 30 marks. That means you are getting overall 50 marks. See, this number is not a small. Okay, with these 50 marks you can easily get a rank less than 4k. That means you can easily get your desired branch in institutes like IITs, NITs, or IIITs. Okay, so, and let's see how much time you can spend on each section, not section, each subject. Okay, coming to the engineering mathematics, it will take generally 2 days. Okay, just spend 2 days on this engineering mathematics. At the same time, each subject means like that we are having four subjects right here. Four subject, and each subject will take 2 days and total 8 days. Okay, total 10 days will take to complete these 5 topics or 5 subjects. So, and with out of 14 days, okay, out of 14 days we are having still 4 days remaining, right? Okay, these 4 days is important. Okay, important in the sense, in these 4 days you have to give some mock test. Okay, just go to online and you can get some free mock test. Okay, or take any test series provided by any institute. Okay, like right, like yes, Medici or Syllabus Coach, something like that. Okay, just take any test series and try to attempt as many tests as possible. Okay, at least minimum one test per day. Try to attempt that test like this, and after completion of each and every test, review that test. Okay, why I'm telling to review, you will get to know what are the mistakes and how much time you are spending on each question, something like that you will get to know. And after attempting all these means mock test, you will get a confidence like problem solving skills. Okay, and you will get to know time management skill also, means how much time I can spend on a aptitude or course, something like that. Okay, means it will improve your problem solving skill, at the same time time management. Okay, and one more thing, in gate paper there is no physical calculator. That means in 2016 and before, gate management allowed a physical calculator, Casio. Okay, but after 2016 they are not allowing gate virtual physical calculator, Casio. They are inbuilt providing a calculator in along with test. That means that is virtual calculator. Okay, if you attempt these free mock test or in test series, you will get to habituate to that calculator. Okay, so it will improve your time management also. Okay, uh, okay, this is the thing, we have to prepare 10 days, and remaining 4 days you have to attempt a free mock test. Okay, and all the best for your exam. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel Syllabus Coach.